Welcome to simulation session of gold. Okay, so in this simulation session, I'll be backtesting gold and the time frame will be 30 minutes. And okay, let's just do few settings, turn off the calendar so that like these were the lines that telling us, that if we have, whether we have a news or not. So I just closed it. And this is the session window. We can easily check that at what time of the day are we simulating. So let's just forward it because I start trading from pre-London time. This is where the London session opens. You can see this green line. This is where it opens and this is where it closes. So I will move forward and I start trading 2 hours before London open. This is where the London opens, so this is the time around 8. So you can see the check the timings here also, forward it, and there you go. So let's just perform the analysis first. This is the support. Change the line color to white so that we can easily see it, and this is the support, or I would say this is the support. Let's check because we need a clean range of more than 25 pips below this, and this is 27, 26 pips. Okay, it's good. And we have this resistance over here. Now all I need is just to wait for the candle to close outside. That's it. That's all I want to see at this point. So if we take a look at H1, right, like this is 30-minute time frame and this is H1. If I take this as a support and this as the resistance, isn't this the candle that closed above this resistance? We have enough range, I would say, till this point, like price could easily tap this level. So let's start it and see what happens. Speed it up a little bit. By the way, we can also speed it up and slow it down up to our own requirement. As soon as this candle will break the high right here, this is where I will execute the buy trade. Or even if I take a look at 30-minute, yeah, like why I'm not considering this resistance than this resistance, because we have a clean range on H1. So whenever we have a clean range on H1, the supports and resistances on the smaller time frame could be ignored. So if this candle breaks the high right here, this is where I will execute the buy trade. SL will go under the previous candle or maybe under this candle. We'll see at that time. Okay, it's not breaking the high at this point, so like I will just patiently wait. That's all I would do. Let's just speed it up. Speed it up a little more because it's doing nothing, and just maybe it's reacting to this level a little bit, but maybe this candle is coming down to create a bottom wick, but I don't care whatever happens. All I want to see is this candle breaks the high right here, or any candle like okay, I think it is not working. Okay, so we have 10 minutes left in candle closure. So yeah, 9, 8, 5 minutes left in candle closure, and I think this candle is gonna close back inside this no trade zone. Okay, first let's just mark this as a support, and now this is okay. We have a resistance formed here just because the bearish candle closed, or this candle didn't closed back inside. So yeah, like this could be a retest entry, right? Like this candle closed bearish, so just wait here. We have 15-minute candle that closed bullish. Okay, 15-minute candle closed bullish, and 30-minute candle is pushing up. Wait, there you go. Okay, this candle broke the high of this candle. This candle closed above. This candle retested this resistance. We have clean range on H1 till that point. So now I will enter the trade. I will enter with 1% risk. Stops. Let's check that. What is the number of stop loss? Okay, so if I place the stop loss under the previous candle, it's 30 pips, which is very big stop loss. So I will use the current candle lows. Let's check. It's just 20 pips. Okay, place the buy order SL right here, and this is where the clean range is ending. Yeah, right there. So this candle can easily push till that zone. Accept it, and boom. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, we are good. Price may react to this zone, right? It may come down, retest this level, and then maybe it will continue pushing up, right? Like that's what I believe. But still, all we can do is just wait, right? Like, because, like, okay, we are, seems to be like we are rejecting. Speed it up a little bit. Okay, candle closed bullish, reacted to this level, but still it closed very strong bullish body. So yeah, there's still a chance that it can go up. Okay, we have 15-minute candle that closed, and 15-minute candle closed weak body, but it's still a bullish candle. So just wait that what happens. Like, we have our stop loss in place, we have to take profit in place, so no need to worry about. Come on. Okay, this is the indication, right? Like, this is some sort of indication that, okay, this was the new level, price retested, this kind of broke the high. Now I think we are good now, and boom, take profit. Okay, this was our first trade, and it played out really, really well according to analysis. Okay, all I will do is I will take just one trade in a day. Now I will move forward to the next day. Okay, by the way, wow, if I have held this trade, I would have made more gains, but still that's okay, because I don't know whether price is going to react to this level, or it's going to break it, or it's going to reject it. Who knows, until we got a candle that closed above this level, and then volume pushed the price to the upside. Anyway, let's just move forward. And again, I will start trading from 8 o'clock. Okay, so this is 8 o'clock. I will place my support right here. Below this support, we have clean range till this point, and above this resistance, we have clean range till this point. All I need is just wait for the candle to close above to take a buy, or close to below to take sell, but it also depends how the candles are closing. So okay, seems like we are gonna close below. We have 15-minute candle that closed. Okay, it rejected, and 30-minute candle closed bullish. Okay, and candle, we have 5 minutes left in candle closure. Okay, this candle rejected this resistance. Maybe this candle can come down, break this low and shoot to the downside, but just wait. Oh, seems like it's doing it. No. Okay. This candle shooted straight and went very far from the zone. This is my rule, right? Like I need a decent candle to close, right? Like I don't want to see a candle that closes like this. Wait, I don't want to see a candle that closes like this. No, I want to see a candle that closes like this so that I can get a smaller stop loss and good gains. But this candle has 8 minutes left in candle closure and seems like it is like it has reached the target. So there's no entry at this point. Oh, okay, it reached the target. No entry. Even if this candle breaks, like closes above, okay, or confirmation is met, but this candle has reached the target without giving us the opportunity to enter some way over this area. I could have entered impulsively, but that's not what I do usually. I just wait for the candle to close. So just wait here. All we can do is to just wait. Now maybe price will retest, go up, retest this level, and then we can take the I would say pullback retest entry, right? Like price will make a high, come down, create support somewhere over this area, and then we can take a buy. Other than that, no buys at this point. And okay, 7 minutes left, 8, 9, 10. Now price is coming down. It may be like above this level, or if it closes below, then it would be a fake out. But yeah, okay, it closed back inside. No buys. This could have been the entry, the fake out entry. Price can easily come till this support. Like whenever candle closes back inside, the price could go till the next level. Like this is the next level. Now we have to update our resistance. Wait. We have to update our resistance. Like I would consider this as a level now. Like this could also be the potential level, but we have to find the number of pips that, okay, it's very good. It's 57. So just place the resistance right here and slow it down right there. Okay. Price is rejecting the support. Okay, we got a candle that closed below support. Okay, this candle closed below support. This was the support. Now I want to see that if this candle breaks the low of this candle, I will take a sell. Okay, it's going up, and oh man, price was so fast. I should have executed the trade right here. It was so fast. I just missed it. Now there's nothing that I can do it. So wow, it was huge. Let's check. 173.74 pips. Maybe there would be some news event. No, there's no news. was just a very nice trade. Like if the SL was okay, it was not good above the previous candle because it's 77. So like even on the current candle it was 43 pips, but still we had a pretty decent range till this point. So it was a very good gain, by the way, but we missed it, and I think I should now slow it down because I missed a very good move. Now I'll see that if I get some sort of retracement here, then maybe I'll look for sells, but at this point there's nothing that I wanted. And by the way, we are now moving in the New York session, so let's just forward it and move on to the next day. Okay, by the way, price went up, retested this level, and then went down, but like it was not that type of retracement setup that I want to take. It's just the idea that worked, but if I was looking at the charts, I would never have executed this. Forward the candles and move to the 8 o'clock. And okay, now we are at 8 o'clock. Same thing, support maybe right here or right here. Okay, let's just delete all these unnecessary levels. This is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, let's start. And like maybe price broke this support in the Asian session, around Asian session, price will go up, maybe retest it and then continue pushing down, maybe, but I will wait for my setup. This is just a prediction. This is not something that I will just trade. I'm just creating the idea in my mind that what could happen. Okay, we are pushing up and seems like we are rejecting this level. Okay, we're going up. We have 5 minutes left in candle closure, and this candle is gonna reject this level, and now we may push down, but I need a candle closure below this support. This is what I want to see. $20 minutes, 21, 22, 23, 5 minutes left. Yeah. There's a very high chance this candle may wake up, come down, and then no. Okay, it didn't work, by the way. This candle should not have break the high of this previous candle, but anything could happen inside the no trade zone, and we have 5 minutes left, and seems like the candle is gonna close above the resistance. Let's just slow it down because I don't want to miss this move. If it closes above, and boom, candle closed above resistance. Okay, 15 minute, 30 minute. Okay, let's just start it, and price is breaking the high. Okay, I will use M15 candle lows for SL right here, and TP will go up over there. No, this is not a good trade. Like the risk is $100 and the gain is just $38. This is something not good. So I will just close it, and maybe if I get a small stop loss, that's when I would like to enter. Other than that, no entry. And I missed this trade. like not missed it, I would say, but the risk to reward was negative. Like, why should I take this trade, right? That's the problem. Now forward it, and if let's say, maybe this candle close bullish, and then we have a pretty decent range to the left till this point above this level. So yeah, that's what I want to see. Okay, it's breaking the high. We have the 15-minute candle is going to close. We have 9 minutes left, 8 minutes left in candle closure, and okay, so price rejected this level. Price is rejecting, but still we have 5 minutes left. We'll wait to see how this candle closes. We have 1 minute left in candle closure, and this is the impulse entry setup, right? Like whenever candle closes, like here's an example. Okay, like this is what I have seen the most. Whenever the price goes up in one direction, and then this type of setup comes, like candle closes bullish, then bearish, and then bullish, but small body, big wick rejection from the top, there's a very high chance that the next candle will go down. So, but still, like, I want to see, but if this candle breaks the high of this candle, then this setup is no more valid, but we'll see. Okay, it's breaking the low. It's some sort of, you can say, a fake out, like this was the range, candle closed above, retest happened, but this candle didn't went up. This was, by the way, the new resistance. So I'll look for sells at this point. SL above this, TP will go maybe right here. Yeah, and by the way, on the impulse entries, we can use current candle high or low confidently, right? Because price, like in these type of setups, we can use that. Okay, we are pushing down and pushing down. Okay, we are $109 profit. Price could easily tap this level. Yeah. Then again, maybe it will go up, but it should tap this level. But seems like it's rejecting. Let's just move it fast a little bit. 15-minute candle closed bearish. This candle created no top wick. There's a very high chance that this candle will move down. Whenever a candle makes no top wick, that means the buyers, like there are less buyers, and there's a very high chance that price will go down. So and boom, TP hit, gained 3.56%. like SL was almost 15 pips and 40 pips gain. Okay, move on to the next day. By the way, it tapped this level and then went up. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yes, the structure on the 4-hour tells us now this, but this candle hasn't made bottom wick, so it may come down and then it can tap this level. We'll see. Okay, it's pushing up and it tapped almost. Okay, it tapped it. 8 o'clock. So go to the 30-minute, mark your resistance, mark your support. Maybe this will be the support, because after this resistance we have a clean range and 72 pips, and below this support we have a 52 pip clean range. Same thing, need a candle to close above or below, nothing else, nothing fancy, just simple price action. Forward. Okay, let's just speed it up a little bit, and 5. Okay, is this good speed? Okay, now just wait for the candle to close below to take a sell, to close above to take a buy. But seems like it's just stuck in this range. Forward M15, and now this may close. We have 5 minutes left in candle closure and 2. Okay, no, still stuck inside this no trade zone. No trade at this point, just wait. I will never ever enter the trade inside the no trade zone until it's a fake out or it's some sort of strong confirmation. Other than that, no entry inside the no trade zone, like between these two lines, support and resistance. And it's Friday, so just wait. See, it's going up, like it came down, went up, coming down, right, will again go up, come down, maybe until a candle will close on either side. 3, 2, 1, and candle closed weak bullish, like it's a doji type of candle, I would say. And okay, we have 15-minute candle closed bullish. We have 10 minutes left, but still stuck inside this no trade zone. Okay, a new hour started, and okay, we have 15-minute candle closed bullish and 10 minutes left. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. Okay, we price is above this resistance. I want to slow it down so I don't want to miss any move. I just still regret that move that I missed. That was a very good game. We have 2 minutes left, 1 minute left, and this candle is still outside this resistance. That means it is going to close above. Okay, candle closed above. If this candle breaks the high of the previous candle, I'll take a buy, and my take profit will be right there. Right, like, let's just speed it up a little bit, not that much. And we are pushing up. No, we are pushing up, and a little higher, and then I'll enter the trade right there. No, right there. Take a buy with 1% risk, SL right here, and take profit right there. Okay, like it's almost 1 by 1 risk to reward, so it's good. And by the way, if we take a look at M15, no, it's still the same stop loss. Like if there would be another 15-minute candle somewhere over here, then I would have placed stop loss smaller to get a good risk to reward. But still, this is good. Enter the trade and speed it up a little bit. By the way, I can enter another trade with stop loss right here. Okay, we'll see if this candle pushes to the up again, or maybe, okay, right there, I'll just to get a good risk to reward. TP right there, SL right here. Now see, it is like, even if the move is smaller, I'm even a little late, but still 28 pip, 16 pip SL, and 27 pip gain. So take a look at 30-minute to place the take profit right here and accept it. Like, there's no business of this candle to come down right now, right? It broke the high. We have clean range to the left, so it's push up. Okay, we are pushing up, and okay, candle closed. We are approaching the target almost, but let's just wait for it to hit it, if it hit it or not. So no. Okay, I think I should have closed this trade over that area, but just wait to see what happens. And SL hit. This was the mistake, by the way. Entered in the middle of this range. This was a very dumb mistake. Speed it up to see what this candle do now. Speed it up a little bit more. Okay, candle closed bearish at the resistance. And okay, we are pushing up. Maybe it will tap our target. Okay, perfect. Yes, now it's good. This was a bad trade. I'll accept it, because if I had entered one trade here, even this was in the middle of the range, but it was acceptable. But here, near to the target, this was not a good idea, because okay, whenever price reaches the target, it like taps it, candle closes bearish, then if it has to continue in that direction, then it continues. It's not like it will straight break this level and then keep continuing pushing up like this. No, it will always give some sort of retracement. But these type of reasonings just comes after we take a loss. So anyway, moving on to the next day. Okay, wait. What if we mark this as a resistance now? We are in NYSE, okay, like in the New York session has started 1 hour earlier, I guess. Yes, almost one and a half hour. If we go to the left to see whether we have some sort of clean range to the left, and we have a pretty decent range till this point, and candle closed above after retracement happened. We are in the volume time. Let's check whether we have some sort of news. We have no news, all clean. I think we can take a buy. Stop loss, and here we are getting 1/3 risk to reward, or I will just take 1 by 1, let's say, right? Because like I don't know whether price, because I don't trade New York session that much, right? If I take a losing trade in London session, then I sit for New York session, but only if there is no news, right? And there is rarely a day in which in the NY session there is no news, right? It's full of news events. So this is where I'm getting 1 by like if I lose, I lose $102. If I make, I'll make $139. So accept it. Even my entry is late. This was the original point of entry. Play it and see what happens, and boom, easy. That's it. Okay, let's see the stats. Let's see the stats and close trades. History. Okay, so I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, out of which one was a losing trade, I guess. Yes, this was a losing trade that I entered just out of excitement that I'll make more gains to use a smaller stop loss, and then I lost this trade. Other than that, all were winners, and we can also see the stats on this simulator, right? Like if I go down, number of closed trades 5, profit 4, 1, largest profit trade was this, losing trade was 1%, average profit trade. Like we can see each and everything in this. We can also download the stats. Let's see the graph here, right? This is a very good tool, by the way, to improve the trading. And like we can backtest any year we want. Let's say if I want to backtest 2016, I'll download that data from the data center, and then I can backtest it. I can practice any strategy, any method that I have, and I can calculate the stats and then see that whether they work or not. So yeah, this was the simulation session about gold. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.